Extended reality is interesting because you can combine all kinds of presentation tools in a single immersive experience. So instead of have you to bounce to different devices to showcase something, you simply use integrated digital worlds to create tailor-made experiences to present it. My name is Lilian. I am an art director and a video producer based in Tuscany, Italy. Like many creative professionals, my career so far has centered around creative designs and presentations for traditional digital platforms such as mobile, TVs, tablets. So I decided to explore this new technology, and we invited some of our clients. The first one is the 5G Carmen project. It's an European research project to implement autonomous driving across Europe. Autonomous driving is a hot topic in Europe and in the world, I think, because you have all these researchers that wanted to study more about this topic. And we produced a video, a 5-minute video. We have animation, shooting, camera cars, simulations, but it's so difficult to explain everything detail of this project. I was just think about of how useful it could be creating a metaverse of this project to make it easier to researchers and stakeholders around Europe to better understand how this technology works in the real world. The challenge. La sfida. The gaming industry is particularly advanced in the metaverse. Gaming engine platforms such as Unity and Unreal are leaders for real-time 3D content. If you wanted to create your own virtual environment, you just download them. It's absolutely free. So I thought, oh great Lilian, you can now design your own space. Let's do it! Andiamo, facciamo! However, getting a virtual reality world set up can be a little bit of a headache. And you need to learn how to use the software, how to create 3D environments and do everything from zero. For a non-3D specialist like me, it was really tough. Then I met Synergy XR. Synergy XR helped you to create your own metaverse right away with no code, no 3D skills. You get eye-catching virtual workspaces, 3D elements. You just add your images, videos, and you can import in 3D models from stock websites. You can see in real time how your space will look. What struck me was how Synergy XR is building the platform. They focus very much on user needs. I mean, the platform has been built not for users but with users, and I was thrilled about it because as a creative, I had the opportunity to join the Synergy XR Creators Club community. And the community is absolutely amazing and they will help you every step of the way. It's a kind of think tank in which creators can learn from each other and share ideas that help us to navigate through challenges in this new technology. When you are in the metaverse, you expect to interact with the environment in the same way that you would do in real life. So I think creatives should start designing so that a solid sense of presence exists. And a multimodal experience looks, feels and sounds believable. As a creator, I feel more empowered by extended reality than ever. And I think it opens so many doors to express ourselves or to create cool environments and really immerse people back into physical reality. It's gonna be a really cool ride, and it's just starting.